Hello guys, welcome to GBT TV show. This is Lin speaking, and today we have one new item I want to show you. You can see here is my new Bodykit. This Bodykit is for Land Cruiser 200 changed to Land Cruiser 300, and this one you can see very easy. It has the front bumper, grill, and the rear bumper. Only need to change the 3 parts, then you can have one car for Land Cruiser 300. This car is the Land Cruiser High version.